Who's a pretty kitty?
No EDM detected?
It won't, because it doesn't go through this like this.
Oh, now what?
All I can do is replace parts when they come in.
Only rule is you cannot take the top off. You have to tie it out of the neck. Okay, guys, are you ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
Tickle.
The baby's like, where's
Tony's still drinking. What just happened there?
I tried to start it with the button down here.
Oh. Oh, you got the lone wolf 6000, huh?
I wish I had something exciting for you, but there's not. I've cleaned all the terminals, verified that the fusible links are good, verified the grounds are good. I did find one sensor which may have been an oil pressure or temperature sensor that the boys did forget, but that is not a problem, not a part of the problem or the solution. So I think that I'm not really getting away from having to do the wire diagnostic between this computer and that computer so that I can verify that the wire connections are making it without having resistance in the wire. That's all that I have left, I think. Everything looks like it's connected to where it's supposed to be. The diagnostic tool works just fine. It's consistently coming up with the same code that doesn't make it work. I'm further ahead than I have been.
Well, that's a positive.
That is a positive.
We gotta take all the positives we can. It's been quite the week.
Yes, it has.
All right. What's happened here, sir?
Well, there was 3 plugs in different areas where the boys led me to believe that they weren't plugged in before. So I discarded those at first, but I think I may have found this thing. Fast scan. Read codes. PID 102, boost pressure, whatever that means, and identifiable error, FMI 11. Now that it reads the IDM, let's see what this does.
Oh! How exciting! Oh my goodness. Was that a turbo noise?
That's a turbo noise. It's only pushing 5 pounds of boost, which is, I guess that's the baseline. So gotta know what we have to start with before we start tuning it up. Alrighty.
No horns. Beep beep. A pain in the butt.
I'm gonna have to drill a hole.
Our maiden voyage in a new engine.